Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fardaw Sahil. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. In this video with Illustrator, we're going to design this modern logo template. You can make this for a real client, or maybe if you want to sell this for any digital market, or maybe you want to sell it on your own website, then you can do that as well. But before I'm going to start making this logo template, let me show you the colors which I'm going to use for the background and also for the logo. So here we have these colors as a gradient, which I'm going to use it as a background. Here, let me click on this gradient panel so I can show you the colors. So first color in this slider, you can see in hex, and the second color, if I just click, so you can see that as well. And the color which I'm going to use that for my logo is this color. Let me just double click on this color picker so I can show you the color in hex, or maybe you want to get the color in other, like for HCB values or RGB, then here is the values for this color. Now what we need to do here is that we need to add, right click, we need to add this ellipse. Click here, make something like 500 by 500. Now I'm going to change that fill to a stroke. By holding Alt and Shift, I'm going to scale this. Now I'm going to apply effect on that. To apply that, we need to go to effect. So here I can see on the recently used effects, I'm going to apply the zigzag, but I'm not going to click from here. Let me go to this distort and transform. Down there you can see there we have this zigzag. With zigzag there is 2 points available, the smooth and the corner. If I get the smooth and increase the size, it's going to increase that just like this, or if you go with a corner, good to go with this. So here we have the radius per segment that you can increase that. I want to put a letter inside this, so that's why I'm making this ellipse. If I make that relative, so it's going to look like a star, but I don't want to make it look like a star. Let's increase the radius per segment. Now we good to go with 19 pixel for size. Hit OK. Now I can increase a stroke just like that. And if I want to expand this, so I need to click on the object, and here we have this expand appearance. Okay, great job. Now time to make your letter. So there is different methods. The best method is that we need to draw our own letter, but if you want to use any font, so make sure if you're selling that font, you are allowed from that font owner that let you allow you to sell that font. But if it's not going to let you do that, then you're not allowed to resell that. So the best method is that click here, get this rectangular grid tool, and click here, get the shape builder tool, and draw your letter. Maybe I want to put that L, so I'm going to draw the L letter. You can draw C letter, D letter. You can draw any letter you want to. I don't recommend you to use that font if you're not allowed to resell that, then I don't recommend you. Best way to create your own brand is that you can use the grid. Here I just made that L letter, so I'm going to put this L right here. Let me remove the rest of the lines and delete that. I'm going to remove the fill from this. Let's remove that. And also what I'm going to do is that let me align it. It's not look good, but I'm going to select everything by holding this Alt key with the shape builder tool. I'm going to remove these lines. Again, hold the Alt key and remove it. So now we have the perfect this logo. Or what you can do is that if you don't see that it looks good, so you can do more is that get the direct selection tool and select this area, just like that. Put this L right here, scale it. You want to increase stroke, then you need to select everything. I think now it looks really good. Now I'm going to get direct selection tool, only drag the selection to this, use the arrow left key. As I said, you can put the A letter, any letter if you want. You can get the pen tool if you want to draw any letter, and easily you can do that. Now I'm going to select everything, Control G to group it, Control minus to unzoom. Here what we need to do is that we are going to right click, get the rectangle tool, click on the artboard, and we're going to make this 3000 by 2000 pixel. Let's set that stroke to 0, and I'm going to align it here. Get eyedropper tool, and we're going to apply this as a background. Right click, send this to the back, select this and put it on the center of the artboard. Great job. So we did this, and time to make some money. So now you can give this to a real client if the real client requested for this L later maybe, and you can earn money. Or if you want to sell this online, then you have to rename the layers. And for real client, let me tell you one more thing, that if you want to sell this to a real client, then the best way and professional way, if you are a professional graphic designer, to put the brand or logo in a form of mockup. But if you don't put that in the form of mockup and just like that you are going to submit, you can do that. But uh, from my perspective, good to go with putting the logo in a form of mockup. So this is how we use Illustrator to make this type of logo design. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.